Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how I curl my hair and what all products that I like to use for my hair to make it healthy. It's not very healthy, it's quite frizzy right now because I've just washed it yesterday and I haven't blow dried or anything. It's just like very natural hair, and since I've gotten my pre-light done, so it's kind of dead, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm going to cut it soon. But before that, I'm going to show you how I curl my hair, so keep on watching. If you like this video, and comment in the section below and subscribe to the channel. So first off, I am going to show you the products that I like to use. First thing that I like to use is a heat protectant. I don't have it right now, I just forgot where I kept it, but I use it this one. I'm just going to put it here. This is very good. I've been using it since so many years. It's water based and it doesn't like make your hair heavy or sticky, so I think you can use this one. And then after that, to give it a volume, I like to use this is a stronghold volumizing mousse, and this is very good. This is from Voila Professional and this is my first bottle, not gonna lie, but it works well. So the other product I'm going to use is this one. This is Olaplex. This is a holy grail. It's a number 7 bonding oil. It's very nice for your hair, especially for the end. If you have like dry, dead, frizzy ends, this works. So this is going to be the last step. And then sometimes I like to use this if you're not going out or anything like that. Then I don't like to use it that much, but then if I want my curls to stay for longer, I like to use this. This one is from Gatsby, and yeah, I mean, it works also. And then I have my white tooth comb, which is like tiny. I bought it from my recent trip to Thailand. And now let's get started. Oh, I forgot to mention the curler that I'm going to use today. So this is the curler. I have it since so many years now. This is from Vega. I have two curlers so far. One is like thicker. It's a wand, so it doesn't have this glass or claps, whatever it's called. For more wavy look, you can use the other one. The other one I have, it's Ellen Truman one, and this one is for like more tighter curls. I don't want a tighter curl, I want like a wavy hair only, but then I like it because it has clasp, and the other one that I have from Ellen Truman, that doesn't have any clasp. So yeah, today we're going to use this. Okay, so as first step, you're going to use the heat protectant. Since I don't have it, I'm just going to use this one. I'm going to comb it now. Okay, I'm going to do half up. The glass should be facing you, so I'm going to do this and one here, and I'm going to leave it again like this. It depends on your hair length, guys. Okay, this much. I'm going to like comb it after. You're going to do away from your face, okay, and then you're going to do it again. Wait for 2 seconds or something, and then you're going to leave again like this much. I'm going to leave, and then I'm going to hold. I'm going to leave. I'm going to show you again for the section. Looks nice, right? This is how you're going to do all your section. The top part. 10 minutes more. 1, 2. And then I'm going to show you the front section. I like to use it started from here like half, and then I will roll it once. Just leave a little more margin. This is how much I like to do for my front section, not much. And then let's start from here. By the way, I've used my Olaplex already. I lost that clip. And I'm just going to brush my hair that it opens a little. Like I'm satisfied with this hair, and I'm just lightly going to use it. Done.